Hello my dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am your Anita ma'am. Today we will learn about animals and their babies.
Brother dog, where are you? Here I am. Who is your young one? My young one is a puppy.
So children, which animal is this? This is a cat. Which animal is this? This is a cat. And cat drinks milk. And its baby called kitten. Its baby called kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. Okay?
A baby cat is called a kitten, soft and fluffy, always written.
Which animal is this, children? This is a dog. This is a dog. Dog is a pet animal. Okay? And its baby called puppy. Its baby called puppy. Okay?
A baby dog is called a pup, running and playing, never gives up.
Oh children, what is this? Which animal is this? This is a horse. This is a horse. Horse runs very fast. Okay? And its baby called foal. Its baby called foal.
Baby horse is called a foal, galloping freely, reaching its goal. Baby animal.
Next. Oh, which animal is this? This is a rabbit. Which animal is this? This is a rabbit. Rabbit like to eat carrot. And its baby called bunny. A bunny is a baby rabbit. Okay? Next. Which animal is this? This is a panda. This is a panda. Children, do you know panda eats bamboo? Okay? And its baby called cubs. Its baby called cubs.
A baby panda, black and white, is called a cub, cuddly and bright. Climbing trees and eating bamboo, in the zoo they play.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
So children, be ready. Match the animal with their baby. Okay? First one is rabbit. And where is bunny? Very good children. Next one is dog. And where is baby? Very good children. Puppy. And last, which animal is this? Cat. And where is baby? Very good children. Kitten.
Baby animals, so cute and small. Learning their names, we'll know them all.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Horse doo 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 doo, baby horse doo 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 doo, happy horses.
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you in next class. Bye-bye children. Take care.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kidz.